Hello everyone and welcome back to another easy way video where I'm going to teach you how you can pay on Amazon with Apple Card. Well, it's very simple. So here you can apply for the Apple credit card and even get a debit card around here. So with that card you will be able to go to Amazon shopping, select your products, add to the cart, and then proceed to the payment and choose the card option. You put the numbers of the credit card and then you will be able to buy on Amazon. The other option is to go to a website like recharge.com and buy an Amazon gift card. In this case, you have to come here and select the country where you want to use the, the card. In this case, for example, United Kingdom. And as you can see, there are a lot of Amazon cards. For example, this 100 GBP at 126 euro. So if this video was useful for you, please comment, share, like, subscribe, and press the button, the subscription button. Goodbye and see you next time in an Easy Way video.